Okay, I'm recording you, Makai. Go ahead, do your thing. Show us what you're working with. Uh-oh.
Wait. Let me do it again.
Okay, start over. Take your time. That's good.
Beat the hell out of it over. Make it jump back up.
Tell me when to stop.
You stop when you get ready. Is that what they teach you?
No.
You just do that on your own?
Yep. When I started coming out here, I just started doing this, and I know how to do it.
What else you know how to do?
I need 2 people.
Oh, you need somebody to play with you?
Wait. Time out. I'll bring it out.